2016 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, dual panel moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.